What's going on, guys? Mark Drew at Mark Drew Speaks. Shout out to family, to my family, to your family, and to anyone who's helped us. I'm going to say us grow along the way, because I know I'm not alone when I say that I didn't do it all on my own. There's many of us who can say that, and to those people who helped us get to where we're at, kudos to them, because we didn't do this on our own accord. There were people who gave us resources, who provided for us, who helped mold us into the people we are today. We were developed in that mold that God made, but during our developmental years, and adolescence, there were people around us, guiding us, protecting us from that outside world and guiding us through that world. And thank you, Mom. Thank you to my grandparents. Thank you to my aunts and uncles, my brothers, my cousins, my teachers. Don't forget those people. You guys are amazing. And this is my shout out to you. I couldn't do it without you. I'll be honest, I could not do it without you. It's the experiences that I've been through that have made me what I am today. So never discredit your experience. From the ups and the downs, they're all important to who you are. Your story matters. You're an author. You're a director. You're making it happen each day, each moment. Continue to make it happen. And never forget where you came from. Also, never forget where you're going. Keep your eyes on that prize, aim forward, and just go. Continue to do it. And know that everything that happened yesterday got you to today. And the experience that you're gaining today is going to help you with tomorrow. It's awesome, man. Life is dynamic. Just keep moving, all right? Love someone today as always. At Mark Drew Speaks. Peace.